BOD has been in my life for 16 years. I've been a founding member of BOD, and I live and breathe the ethos of BOD, which is to promote high-end aesthetic and cosmetic dentistry.
BOD was set up in 1994 by a group of like-minded people who had travelled around Europe and the world and were familiar with the aesthetic movements in those areas. And there was nothing in the UK at the time. And their objective, at a time when most of the country was really NHS dentistry, was to promote a level of excellence in the restoration of the human mouth.
The benefits of BOD for me have been, it's been the foundation of my dentistry, being introduced to such high-profile, world-class speakers in a friendly environment which has a wonderful ambience.
We can create an atmosphere in our scientific meetings that are conducive to discussions, to debate various new techniques and materials. We have access to the best researchers, academics, and clinicians around the world, and we bring them to the UK to preferably small, intimate venues so we can interact not just during the scientific session, but during the social events that we create for them.
It's a real learning environment where you learn not just in the lecture room, but at the bar, in all the social events, and everywhere you walk you're just bumping into the same people, and it's a really nice environment to be in.
There are three levels of membership. There's associate, active and life. You've got to become an old dinosaur like me to become a life member. But the two main bodies are the actives and associates.
It's kind of by invitation only. They will be invited along as a member because they know somebody, and they will initially have to attend 2 meetings before they will apply to become an associate member. After they become an associate member, they will then be given the opportunity to present in front of the whole membership with some of their own material, and they will be voted in as a full member if they feel that the quality of what they present is suitable.
If you're looking for inspiration, aspiration and a great ambience, it's one place you can't afford to miss.
If you want to become a member of BOD, look at this website, look at the upcoming events, contact us, come as a guest, see what we can provide for you. When you've been a guest for 2 years, you can then apply for membership. You'll meet some of the members, they will sponsor you, and you become a member of the BOD family. We welcome all new people who aspire to excellence in aesthetic and cosmetic dentistry.